How would you define intentional living? What does it mean to live intentionally? In this video, I will share the definition of intentional living and reveal 5 easy steps you can do today to start your intentional living journey. What is intentional living? Intentional living is a way of life that focuses on purposeful action. It means taking responsibility for our actions and being proactive in achieving our goals. Living intentionally requires us to take control over our lives and make decisions that align with who we want to become. This is why it's important to develop self-awareness and cultivate habits that support our growth. Creating your own definition of intentional living is a journey. It's not something you can do overnight, but it does require some effort and commitment to make the changes that will help you live in alignment with who you are and what you want from life. You may have heard people say things like, "I don't know where my life is going, but I know where it has been," or "You can never go back and change the past, so I might as well enjoy myself while I'm young." These statements reflect an attitude of lack and regret. They imply that there was a time when someone else controlled their destiny, and they were just along for the ride. But if you believe that you are responsible for creating your future, you must accept that you get to decide whether you are happy or sad, successful or unsuccessful, healthy or sick, wealthy or poor, etc. The choice is yours. In the next section, I will reveal the 5 easy steps to start your intentional living journey. Here are 5 easy steps to kickstart your intentional living journey. The first step towards intentional living is acknowledging that you are in charge of your life. You are the one who decides what happens next. If you want to create a different outcome, you need to start acting differently. The second step is to focus on the present moment. When we think about the future, we tend to worry about everything that could happen. We spend too much time thinking about what could go wrong instead of enjoying what is right now. When practicing mindfulness, you learn to pay attention to the present moment without judgment. You let go of thoughts of the past and worry about the future. Instead, you focus on what is happening right here and now. When you live in the present moment, you are more likely to experience joy and happiness because you are less focused on the negative aspects of life. Why is intentional living important? Because it helps you achieve true success. True success comes from within. It doesn't come by luck, circumstance, or chance. It only comes through hard work, dedication, perseverance, and consistency. If you want to succeed at anything, you have to put forth consistent effort every single day. That's why it's essential to pursue intentional living. If you want to improve your health, you must eat healthier foods and exercise regularly. If you want to lose weight, you have to limit yourself to fewer calories than you burn each day. If you want to earn more money, you have to work harder and smarter. If you want to build wealth, you have to save consistently. All these goals require consistency. And consistency requires discipline. So if you want to achieve any goal, you have to develop the mindset of an intentional person. This means that you must take responsibility for your actions and decisions. You must commit to making positive choices over negative ones. You must be willing to keep trying until you reach your desired destination. In addition to being disciplined, you also need to be persistent. Persistence is the ability to continue doing something even though it seems impossible. To persist, you have to stay committed to your plan and not give up. Finally, you need to be open-minded. Open-mindedness means having an accepting attitude toward new ideas. It means being flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. In this video, we have discussed the importance of intentional living. You can continue your journey by watching my other intentional living videos and subscribing to my channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.